watching ABC 7 News at 5 on your side.
There is a crime alert in the district after 4 robberies on a popular trail in just a matter of days. They're all happening on the Metropolitan Branch Trail, which is in Northeast Washington. Diane Cho is there tonight with one victim's story of fright and survival.
This woman, who didn't want to be identified, says she was jogging along the Metropolitan Branch Trail on Sunday night near 8th Street in Edgewood Northeast when she noticed a young man on the other side and ran past him. Before she knew it, she says he was running up behind her.
He passed me, ran in front of me, and pulled out a knife.
She says he demanded everything she had, but she didn't have any money on her, so she pulled out her cell phone, and then he asked for a password so he could unlock it. Worried about the personal information on her phone, she says she immediately had the phone company shut it down.
And I didn't realize till afterwards, when the detectives and police showed up, that protocol would, ask you to delay canceling it so they can track it, but I didn't know that at the time.
She was one of 4 victims robbed that same day on the trail. One victim tells us she had her young daughter with her when it happened.
It's sad, and you don't wish that experience on anybody else, particularly children.
According to police reports, the other victims also told officers the suspect was armed with a knife, demanding their cell phones and cash.
Of course, it stinks that you can't jog without, fear of being robbed, etc. I haven't really faced that, luckily.
Stuff happens, and it's unfortunate that it does, but we all have to live our lives.
And police say they believe these cases could be connected. And in at least one case, the victim told police there could be 2 suspects involved. In Northeast D.C., Diane Cho, ABC 7 News.